Hello guys, in this video we will solve the problem of the caller's number not appearing during incoming calls. A very simple method. All you have to do and follow the steps explained in this video, but before broadcasting in the explanation, do not forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video, and thank you from the heart to everyone who supports me now. Let's go through the explanation. The first step, my friend, is to go to the calling application on your phone. After that, you click on the three small dots above here, then click on the settings. If you have a SIM card or two SIM cards, choose the card in which you have the problem when someone calls you and his number does not appear. Then click on More Settings. After that, you wait. Your phone settings are not read. Here you will find the calling number, then click on it. After that, at the bottom here you may find it. Hide the number. You click on Show the number, and thus when someone calls you, his number will appear. This was today's topic. I hope you liked it and benefited. For any inquiries, for any problems or suggestions, write them in the comments and we will meet in a video coming, God willing.